你好，你是昨天到的吧？昨天到北京。非常感谢，感谢您抽时间。我也恭祝你先一道努力，为两国全天候战略合作。
Today, once-in-a-century transformations are unfolding ever faster. A strong China-Pakistan relationship means a strong force for regional peace and development. I will work with you, Mr. Prime Minister, to provide new strategic guidance for our all-weather strategic cooperation and drive faster progress in developing an even closer China-Pakistan community with a shared future in the new era to deliver more benefits to the people and set up an example of building a community of shared future in our neighborhood.
Thank you, Excellency President Xi Jinping. I would like to, first of all, congratulate you on a very successful SCO summit in Tianjin yesterday, and this summit has further enhanced your leadership not only in China but globally. I would also like to thank you for your time. I know you are hard-pressed from time point of view. Thank you very much for your precious time. And I would like to offer my heartfelt congratulations on the 80th anniversary celebration of the victory of Chinese people's struggle against terror, aggression, and also anti-fascist maneuvers in that point in time. And I think credit goes to Chinese Communist Party for playing a very pivotal role at that point in time, which actually changed the course of history, not only for China, but globally. Excellency Mr. President, Pakistan and China are great friends. And this is not lip service. This is not mere articulation. It comes from my heart, from the heart of all these colleagues and 240 million people of Pakistan. And what China has done for Pakistan in these more than 7 decades will always be remembered by all generations to come in Pakistan, because this friendship has been nurtured, has been structured by our elder generations, and this will go forever. No power in the world can disturb this equation. And I would like to once again thank you for your great sagacious leadership. Communist Party of China over the past many decades have done a tremendous job, and under your leadership, dynamic leadership, you have alleviated 800 million people out of poverty, not only in China, not only in the region, but far away distances through Belt and Road Initiative, flagship project in Pakistan, CPAC, and of course, winning hearts and minds, because your progress and your prosperity has been shared by you, by millions and billions around the globe, in Africa, in Asia, Eurasia, South Asia, East Asia, and that shows your visionary leadership. And I want to assure you, Mr. President, that I will work very closely with you to further strengthen our bonds, which are etched in history through honesty of purpose and sincerity of purpose. And I want to assure you that 240 million people of Pakistan own this friendship very close to their hearts. Thank you once again for your cooperation